Okay, so first let me explain the benefit of you watching this full video. You want a payment gateway, right? You want Shopify payments, you want a Stripe account for whatever that you are selling. And I can tell you right now, right here on my computer, I can activate Shopify payments in less than 5 minutes. I can create a Stripe account in less than 10 minutes and it will be approved. At the same time, it will start accepting payments and it will start making payouts. So if I can do all that and that's the exact thing that you are looking for, that means the information that I'm going to provide in this video is very important. So you do not want to miss any detail. So stick around and let me explain everything the way I do things, so you can just do the same way. You just copy my style and you are able to activate Shopify payments. You are able to get a Stripe account from wherever you are, right? It doesn't matter. You might be in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, or in Africa. I don't know, right? But you can still do this from wherever you are if you do it the way I'm going to tell you today. So you have two options, the fastest and the one that takes a bit longer, right? And let's start with the fastest one because most people they go for that one, right? And I've been doing this since 2023 until today. I'm still doing the same thing for people. I support people's businesses by providing payment gateways for them. I activate Shopify payments for those who want Shopify payments. I open Stripe accounts for those who want Stripe accounts, and these accounts they get verified same time, same day. In like 20 to 30 minutes, you have a Stripe account or Shopify payments, depends on what you want. So we can use my documents to verify a Stripe account for you or to verify Shopify payments for you. But if you don't want that, now let's say you want to use your own documents, we can do that, right? So for you to be able to activate Shopify payments or to get a Stripe account, you need a proof of address in countries like USA or UK. But I found it easy to get a proof of address in UK while you're living abroad. Maybe you're living, like we said, maybe you're in Africa or you're in Asia, right? But you still need a proof of address in UK or in USA to be able to activate a Stripe account or Shopify payments, right? So I found it easy to activate Shopify payments or get a Stripe account with UK documents. So you need to obtain a proof of address in UK to be able to do this. So using my way, you can get a UK proof of address, which you can use to verify Shopify payments, to verify Stripe account. As you might know, I charge people for activating Shopify payments, for creating Stripe accounts for them. So since you want to do this yourself, I put together step-by-step guide because this whole thing, I cannot put it right here on YouTube. So I made a course, then I compiled it, then I put it in a file which you can download. So I put the links in the description where you can download the step-by-step guide, which is going to show you the whole process of obtaining these documents, which will be using your lifetime. You'll be using these documents the rest of your life. Like me, when I started in 2023, today is 2026 and I'm still using those same documents, that same style. It is still working. So if you download this information, it's going to help you the rest of your life to obtain proof of address, legal proof of addresses in these countries, which you can use to verify an account. You can use it to verify a bank account, Stripe account, Shopify payments, or whatever it is that you want to verify. So choose which way you want to do this. Let's verify Shopify payments with my documents, or let's use yours. Download the step-by-step guide that I made, and you can activate Shopify payments with your own documents using the same way that I use.